Hello, today I'm going to go through with you how to restore the uh, previous Windows Photo Viewer, which is, I believe, much better than any new versions or online versions, especially the Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how I can see photos on my laptop right now. So for example, I click on this one. Let's just say put this, and I can see it like so. I cannot if I want to move to the other one also. It's just so stupid really. And if I want to open it with the photo viewer, so first you can check if you have the previous photo viewer. This is happening in case you upgraded to Windows 10 or anything. So you right click, then you can see open with, click on open with, and then here you can see uh, all the programs you can open it with. So at the moment I'm using this photo software, which is not okay. You can also choose another app, but you will not find photo viewer in here, and I'm going to show you how to restore it. You can also click on more apps, and if you find it there, that means it's good. It's not deleted, but otherwise it's going to be it's not there. But the good news is, in the Windows 10 it is installed, but it's hidden, and I'm going to show you how to restore it. So here, so first I would like you to go to your desktop, just right click and then new, and then I would like you to put text document. Okay, and then we can call it, for example, restore photo viewer, or restore photo viewer. Okay, we'll call it dot reg, reg. Okay, and then open it. It's going to open as a Word document, Notepad document. I have a code. I will put it in the description. Put it there, and then close. It says, do you want to save? Yes. And now if you open it, it's just going to open as a Word document. So we don't want it like so. So what I need you to do, you need to go to files, and then let's say, for example, let's open something from here, anything really. You go to files, and then you go to view, and you see here it says file name extension. I need you to click on it. Yeah, it's done. And when you come back, so this one, you can see the name of this is changed to reg.txt. I need you to click on it, and then delete the text txt, delete it, and the dot, and then enter. They will ask you if you change a file name extension, a file might become unusable. Are you sure? Yes. You can click yes. It says again yes. That's it, and you can see it's changed. It's changed the type of document. Now what I need you to do is to click on that. It says do you allow the app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Again this one, you click yes. Again yes, and it should be done now. So I go back to the previous picture. I tried to open it before. If I click on this, it's open again with the normal photo viewer, the Windows 10 photo viewer. I don't want this, so what I can do, I can go again and right click, and now open with, and this you can see here now the Windows photo viewer is again, you can see it again, and it's can click on it, and now you can see it is this one, the one that we are used to use before, which is, I believe, the best photo viewer that it exists at the moment. I'm not talking about the online ones, because online is privacy and everything is not okay. So this is it's done. Okay, so, and you can set all the pictures to be viewed as with this program, Windows photo viewer. You can do that. You know how to do it. You just need to do it like always. So open with, and then when you click on that, you just put like always do the same. Okay, this if you have many accounts in your laptop, you probably need to do it for each account. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know in the description, and please share this video with other friends to make sure everyone restore his or her photo viewer was like the previous one, which is much better. Thank you. You are with Mr. L. Enjoy.